since the Steele dossier was built based upon Hillary Clinton's paying through Perkins Coie and then to Fusion GPS and then to Christopher Steele, who supposedly went to the Russians, he had an obligation to investigate the Steele dossier. It's all there.
There's either two explanations. He never read what his mandate was, or he didn't know what his mandate was.
They knew the mandate because
I'm not sure he did. I don't know how much he knows.
He was nothing but a front, Mr. Mayor. He was the shill. He was the beard. They picked him because he couldn't understand it.
Okay, I mean, when you look at him, and I don't want to overstate this, but doesn't a responsible person come to the conclusion he shouldn't be in charge of something
it's sad.
Serious? Okay, it is sad.
It is sad.
Except that the person it's sad is for is the president, not him.
Yeah.
He shouldn't have been there.
Right.
He should at least have enough self-control to realize, I can't do this anymore. But how about the characters around him?
Right.
Why didn't they ever come forward and say, "Hey, Bob, you're not up to this"?
Yeah. Well, they wanted him
because
there.
they were the inmates running the asylum.
They were the inmates. Look, that is the deep state. That's why I said at the beginning of my open, if you ever questioned whether a deep state existed, you just saw it. He was the beard, the cover, the shill. Now, I want you to look at this, listen to this sound of Nadler, where the Dems are all hyped up now about impeachment. Take a listen.
Anyone else who acted in this way, if they were not the sitting president, would face criminal prosecution, would face indictments. Only the Office of Legal Counsel's opinion that you cannot indict a sitting president has saved or is saving the president from indictment.
Now, before we go to questions, I want to add one correction to my testimony this morning. I want to go back to one thing that was said this morning by Mr. Liu, who said, and I quote, "You